A legendary showdown in the wild. A cobra and a caracal locked in a battle to the death. Witness how agility and lethal precision conquer brute force in nature's ruthless arena. While foraging, the caracal stumbles upon a deadly cobra. Instead of retreating from this highly venomous foe, the fearless feline initiates the attack. Its goal is absolutely clear: execute the serpent and claim a fresh meal. The cobra holds its ground, supremely confident in its lethal venom. Packed with a potent neurotoxic cocktail, a single bite guarantees paralysis and suffocation within minutes. Lacking any venom immunity, even the slightest scratch from the serpent's fangs would be a fatal mistake for this young caracal. Fueled by absolute confidence, both predators engage in a ruthless duel. The battle erupts. The cobra strikes repeatedly, but hits nothing but thin air. The caracal's reflexes are 7 times faster. To the cat, these lightning-fast strikes appear in slow motion. Every graceful leap and flawless dodge is driven by pure, instinctual muscle memory. Keeping its hood flared, the cobra tries to intimidate its enemy with a terrifying posture. Desperately seeking an opening for a fatal bite, its strikes are effortlessly evaded, rendering the snake powerless. In this unforgiving arena, one mistake means death. Armed with razor-sharp teeth, the agile cat is fully capable of a lethal blow. A single bite to the head, and the serpent becomes lunch. From the first standoff, they go all out. It's the ultimate test: deadly venom versus blinding agility in a high-stakes gamble. Despite its superior reflexes, the caracal remains cautious, never underestimating its foe. Knowing it lacks a honey badger's immunity, even a tiny graze would be a catastrophic mistake. It patiently circles, tracking every twitch, waiting for the perfect moment to deliver a swift, lethal strike. Finally, an opening. As the cobra misses and recovers, the caracal lunges like an arrow, crushing the serpent's head in its jaws. No hesitation, no struggle. This intense survival duel ends with a flawless feline victory. Life operates by the same brutal rules. Miss your one crucial opportunity, and you instantly become a stepping stone for someone else's success.